Hi boys and girls, I want to go over with you right now the letter W. We practiced the letter J a lot yesterday. We did the 2 pages in our handwriting book. Today I want to look at W more closely, okay? Go ahead and make a W with your fingers. We do this when we sing our Days of the Week song in class, and we get to Wednesday, we do this, all right? So before we get to our book, take a look at my board here. I just want to say again what I said before about the letter W, especially capital W. Because it's an easy letter, some of us go too quickly and then we get sloppy. We don't want that, okay? So there's no rush here. Take your time. Starting with the capital W, okay? Our book shows us that they want us to go slant down, slant all the way up, like a letter V, and then do it again. Slant down, slant all the way up. Because I am writing a little sideways, this is not a neat W. So if I did this in my book, I would erase it and do it over again just because my lines are a little bit sloppy. Okay, I'm gonna put my board down for a moment and try this again. I'm going to slant down. You can say it with me. Slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Okay? That is a capital W, better than my first one, but I know that I can still do it even better, okay? Remember, you can make that middle line, you can make it come to the top, or you can stop it at the dotted line. Both ways are correct. Our book shows us that the middle line comes all the way to the top, but you can do either way. I tend to make my W's like this. This is also correct, boys and girls, so you can pick which way is better for you, all right? But what I don't want to see, we don't want any straight lines. Every line in the W is slanted. So I'm going to try to do this upside down now, but if I see this, this is not correct. It is way too skinny. I tried to make these lines straight and I should not have. We want them to have a nice slant. However, now my lines are slanted, but this is still not correct. I want to use that whole space, just like I did up here with these two. I want to use that whole space, boys and girls, okay? For your lowercase w, it is the same, it's the same exact motion. You just keep it in between your dotted line and your bottom line. It's the exact same motion here. I'm going to try to do it this way. I want to make a nice slanted line, up, down, up, okay? Keeping that in between that dotted line and that bottom line. So remember, this one is no bueno, this one is no bueno, and this one's not even so great because that is a messy first line, okay? Make your slanted lines nice and neat. Don't make your W too skinny, and you can decide which way you like better because both ways are correct. So in our handwriting book, we're on page 64 for capital W. You're going to trace and write, make 3 lines of your capital W. Then you're going to come down here to the pictures of the wreaths. Say that with me, wreaths. It almost sounds like wreath starts with an R, but it does not. It starts with a W. You're going to find the picture, the 2 pictures that are alike. 2 of these pictures are exactly the same. You're going to circle them. Come down here. You're going to put a capital W on that dark part of the line, and it's going to make your sentence, when is Advent? And then ask yourself, when is Advent? We learned about Advent a few months ago in religion class. Look at the wreaths. for a hint. See if you can figure out when Advent is. And then come down, are your letter forms correct? And be honest, boys and girls, yes or no. Both answers are okay. A no just means we're going to try harder next time. Come over to page 65. We're doing the exact same thing for our lowercase w. Again, do not rush it. Then we're going to come down here. We're going to trace and write the word whale. Trace and write the word whale. You're going to trace it. Then you're going to put it on the line, all lowercase. And then you can color the picture of Jonah and the whale from our religion class. Okay? Down here on the bottom line, you are going to put a lowercase w on the 3 dark lines that you see. It's going to make some new words. Try to sound them out, especially this one. It's got our short E in there. Wet, wet. Try to sound out the other 2, and then give yourself a checkup. Are your letter forms correct? And just be honest, okay? Great job, boys and girls. See you so soon.